What's good, my trader homies? Stock trading is a business, and just like with any other business out there, you need tools in order to be successful. Take, for example, a lawn care business. A lawn care business is going to need lawnmowers, weed eaters, hedge trimmers, and computer software in order to manage their customers. But they have to pay for those tools. Imagine if a lawn care company could get free lawnmowers and free hedge trimmers. Well, with trading, we can do that. There are tons of free trading tools out there that are just plain awesome. I see a ton of newer traders coming into the industry, and they think if they spend a ton of money on trading tools and software that this is going to make them a more profitable trader, and it couldn't be further from the truth. As traders, we have to manage our bottom line. We have to watch the amount of money that we're spending on tools and software. I don't spend a single dollar on trading tools. Why is that? Because there's plenty of awesome free trading charts, scanners, news feeds. There is enough good free trading tools out there in order for newer traders not to have to spend any money on trading tools. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top free trading tools available and the trading tools that I use every single day in order to be a profitable trader and pull profits out of the stock market every single week. So stay tuned and let's roll. What is good, my trader homies? Your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day. We have swing trading videos where we talk about the top swing trades in the market right now for the upcoming week, and we also have live day trading and day trading tutorials that we release every single week. So if that sounds like something you're into, consider subscribing down below. Today we're going to be discussing the top free trading tools available, and I'm kind of going to just take you on my daily process and show you guys how I use these tools every single day from pre-market all the way to market close. So the first tool that I use every single morning, the first thing I do when I wake up is I go to the internet, I log on, and I go to thestockmarketwatch.com. And then I click on this pre-market tab right there. And what I'm looking for here is the top pre-market movers. And we have the top pre-market gainers as well as the top pre-market losers. And what I'll do is I'll just scan through these, see if anything catches my eye. Like for example, this morning, this KZIA caught my eye as well as Groupon. So we have two tickers that we're interested in. After we find them, we minimize this and we go to Thinkorswim or whatever charting package that you use, and you just type it in, plot out your daily levels, support and resistance levels, and then you're good to go. Once the bell rings, you already have a foundation set. You already have a nice pre-market watch list with the support and resistance levels plotted out. So if you have a trading plan and that price triggers, you're ready to jump in and capitalize. There's no reason to pay for a pre-market scanner. Thestockmarketwatch.com is all you need, and I'll leave it linked in the description down below. The second free trading tool that I want to talk about is Thinkorswim. It is one of the most popular trading platforms out there, and that is for good reason. It's free and it's awesome. The charts are second to none. I literally think they're the best trading charts available, and they're free. You could go spend a ton of money on TradingView, eSignal, TC2000, but why would you want to do that when you have awesome Thinkorswim charts available for free? It also offers great scanning. I do most of my scanning using this Thinkorswim. I got my scans loaded up and I put them on this sidebar here. So when I have my charts going, if I see anything moving up the scan on the gainer list, I'll just type it in real quick. For example, CNDT, and then I'll take a look at it. If I like it, I'll plot out the levels, make a trading plan, and if there's a trade there, I'll take it. So you got scanning, you got charting, you got news on this Thinkorswim. And it's commission free. So it's just an all-around great platform, and it's free. There's no reason you should be paying for charting in today's day and age. It just doesn't make any sense to me. So that's all right. So I use this FinViz almost every single day, and I use it for my swing trading scanning, and I also use it I just log on to it and I see what's moving around. I'll look at the top gainers over here, check out the volume, and if I see something just trading absolute massive volume like this CNDT did today, then I'll pull it up on my Thinkorswim charts and take a peek at it and see if I see something that I like. What I also use it for is this screener right here. You go to screener, and that's what I use to find all my swing trades, every single one of them. So you just click on the screener, and then I like to hit all. So all right here, it'll give you list all of the screening criteria that you can use. And then when I plug in my scan, one day I'll make a video of my swing trading scan, but today I'm just going to show you the tools that I use and not necessarily go in depth into them. So this is my swing trading scan. I like to hit this charts button down here. You can see this charts button, and then you can use that to look at the results of the scan via the charts instead of a list like this. So when you hit the charts button, you can just look at your swing trade or your day trade scan results, and then if you see anything that catches your eye based on the chart, you can write it down or type it into your charting package and then break it down from there. I also use FinViz to look at the float of tickers. So if there's a small cap penny stock making a huge move, for example, what's one that recently ran? Kodak ran up. So when this couple days that Kodak made this huge move here, I pulled it up on FinViz, saw that it had a float of only 8 million shares, which is pretty small, not tiny, but pretty small. So I knew we were dealing with a low float ticker, and I traded it accordingly and planned my trade and my risk according to trading a low float ticker. You can also look at the company's financials on FinViz, look at the market cap, the price to earnings ratio, and that type of thing here on FinViz. Awesome free tool, one of the best free trading tools out there. The next tool that we're going to be talking about is this earningswhispers.com. And what I use this for is to create a watch list based on upcoming earnings. And also, if I'm considering taking a swing trade, I do not want to be holding through earnings. So I'll come onto this Earnings Whispers and take a look at the upcoming earnings just to make sure that I'm not holding through earnings. So for example, I'll hit the calendar and we can see next week what we got reporting earnings. Monday, before market opening, we have Canopy Growth Company, the marijuana company. We have Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and we have Marriott pre-market. Then you can hit AMC for aftermarket. We got Tilray, another marijuana company. INO, the vaccine company. Invax, the vaccine company. So we got some serious earnings coming up next week. Tuesday, we got NIO, the Chinese Tesla. We got Canadian Goose Holdings, Hoya, the Chinese company. So you can just see how powerful this Earnings Whisper is. You can log, for example, if it's Sunday night and you're looking to create a watch list for Monday, you could come on here and look and see what the earnings Monday pre-market are and create a watch list, because we know that earnings creates volatility, and we need volatility in order to pull profits out of the market. So this Earnings Whispers is a great tool. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out. And let's move on to the last free trading tool that I'm going to be talking about in this video. All right, trader homies. So the last tool that we're going to be talking about is Google. I know, don't kill me, don't hate me. But Google is really powerful. For example, mRNA stock. It's making a move, you can't find any news. You can hit Google and then the top stories come up. There's no reason to pay for Benzinga Pro or a news platform when you have news at the tip of your fingers for free. I use Google all the time. I'll type tickers in there. For example, what's another one? That KODK that made a huge run the other day. We can see the top news. Let's look for the news PR that sent it running the other day. Here it is right there. So there's the PR that sent that Kodak stock running up like 1,000% last week. It got a big grant from the government. So I use Google a lot for news. That's going to wrap up this video, my trader homies. We've gone over the top free trading tools available today. There's no reason to be spending a bunch of monthly fees on software and trading packages because everything is available for free if you're dedicated enough to find it and use it. This is Kevin from Touchdown Trades. I hope you guys got something from this video. If you did, do me one big favor. That's all I'm asking for is you go ahead and smash the like button for me. Give the like button a little snake eye jab in the eye. I appreciate the view. If you got anything from the video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.